It's not working as well as I thought.
Come on! Club! Club!
Alright, time to get after it. Alright, off to the event. Well, it's like a half day. It's gonna be pretty easy, I think. Especially with this guy. We're going out into the concrete jungle.
Ooh.
Concrete beach jungle.
Ooh. Actually, the concrete beach jungle would be in Miami.
Oh yeah, you're right. We're just going to Venice, brah. That's all I'm trying to say. Venice, brah.
Alright, let's find one of these birds.
We're gonna look for a bird, and a bird is a scooter share thing. So we're gonna see what that's all about there.
One right there, which is right near us.
Because we want to both have wheels, and that way we can just have fun together. That's the goal.
Oh, they're right here.
Oh, it's like near field. Dude, you're getting a bird.
Bird is the word. All done. Oh, it's green. Okay, let's go.
We have our modes of transport. And now, we're gonna transport.
Okay.
Think you got it?
I don't know, we're gonna find out, dude.
We'll be cruising. We gotta get to the smooth stuff. I can't keep up with him. He's got a scooter. It's not fair. Choppas. Dude, you are a monster on that thing. It's so fast.
It's so fun. You know what you gotta do, dude?
Penny bird. Dude, look at this shit. Is beautiful right here.
Penny Hardaway and Larry Bird.
Oh, this is fun already. We gotta get over to that stuff because it's smooth.
What stuff? It's easier than the running I did this morning. Big fan of the bird.
It's pretty awesome.
The bird is the word, baby. Super fun. Dave and I out for a little adventure here in Santa Monica. The word, baby. Super fun. All right. Where to? Back?
Good ride. Vlog content. Dude, those guys are birding.
Yes. Let's go bird with them. Bird is the word.
Man, what a day. What a day. In a matter of 24 hours. Oh, hey. Oh, I didn't see you there, Chris. Whee! Oh, I hear you. It's good, brother. Too fast. Moving quick now.
Dude, it's like Tony Hawk.
We're now on foot because skateboard's not gonna work on the wood here. Chris is up ahead, we gotta go catch him. Oh, I can't. We should go to the end.
The very end?
Yeah, let's go to the end. That's the color, man. Wow. Beautiful out there. Beautiful out there. Crazy. It's all the battery. Where do you put it? Just wherever?
Yeah, you just like leave it and then they come get it.
Dude, this is the power of Bird. No returns.
Don't forget your GoPro.
Sorry, Bird, you don't get this. Awesome night. This is a million times better than the last night. This is a better night. In context, if you watched the vlog before, you'll understand why this happened. And also tonight was just beautiful, so two ends of the spectrum. Officially, email from producer on the book. Email from the producer. Hi all. Well, I think we all never thought we would see the day, but we are ready to go. All 224 pages and the cover have been approved. It's finally done on December the 2nd. It's December 1st. Book's over. Thank the Lord. Let's go have a drink.
Hello, sir.
What's up?
First one is dude, birds. I was gonna say
the bird. The bird.
Have you looked yet?
Yeah.
But it does go
What?
a lot of work.
How did the GoPro commercial come out?
I mean, you know, it's 20.
This is
facial recognition.
No, it doesn't recognize you, but it knows that there's a face probably. This is Aaron, and he crushes the animation, the graphics, the visuals.
Yeah, pleased to meet you.
We gotta give you, hello. We gotta give him a shout out.
I appreciate this.
Because we collab. Even if we're not in the same place, we still collaborate.
Yeah.
Good dude right here.